Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Napakabilis ng panahon. September na naman. And ngayong September, marami tayong mga planets, no? Astrologically, maraming planets na at some point, magsasabay-sabay na magre-retrograde. So that's Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Chiron. Although ang Chiron di naman siya planet, asteroid siya. So anyway, just tread carefully. Be careful in dealings with a lot of things. Kailangan pag-isipan nyo munang maigi, no? Oo. So, this is a general reading. Maari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus din. And a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So, let's see, Taurus. What is coming ng energy sa inyo ngayong September? Mercury messages. So, maaring may mga communication coming in sa inyo, ideas na darating sa inyo na kung saan may encourage kayo na to try new things. You also have 9th house exploration. Yes, you're going to explore an idea, no? Maaring matagal mo na itong naiisip or sa September magkaka-idea ka na you have to try this, explore this. Maaring may kinalaman to sa trading sa ibang bansa. Pwede ring communication sa ibang bansa, working with other people. Yung iba naman sa inyo may travel opportunities ngayong September. And also knowledge, no? Higher learning and mga belief system ninyo. Meron kayong aaralin ngayong September na very interested kayo. Can be related to your belief system, like pwedeng religion or spiritual practice. Harmony. You are going to bring harmony into your life. So this is balance in your situation, balance in your time, your energy, and your money, cash flow. Healing. You are also going to heal from your past para makapag-move on ka na, no? To move forward. This can also mean physical healing. So, yung may mga issue sa kanilang kalusugan ngayong September, that's your main focus. To heal. So, let's see your overall energy for September. You have the 4 of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi kayo kontento sa sitwasyon ninyo. It's like you want to explore, no? Kaya nga may exploration dito. Maring nire-reassess nyo yung situation nyo na ito na ba yun? Ito na lang ba yun? Ganon. So, let's see your challenge. Your challenge is the King of Pentacles. You may experience challenges in your finances or pwedeng sa boss mo, sa superior mo sa trabaho. And I think yun din yung magiging reason. That's why you want to change something in your situation, especially sa career, sa business mo. And then, this is your opportunity. You have the opportunity to let go of your limitations. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, maaring you don't want to explore new things. Dahil iniisip nyo baka hindi mag-work. Yung mga overthinking, ayan. So you have the opportunity to iwasan yung mga outside influences, yung mga naysayers, yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao towards your idea. Na, oh, hindi yan, wala mangyayari dyan. So, for some of you, hindi nyo na yan papansinin and you will focus on what you can learn, what you can explore. This is your blessing. Marami kang mga gagawin ngayong September, but rest assured, this is going to be fulfilling in a way na kinaya mo, no? Hindi siya magiging madali for you, but the blessing here is you can handle it. Kaya mo siyang i-handle, kaya mong buhatin ano man tong kailangan mong ayusin, gawin, i-explore. Let's see what else, Taurus. See, you are moving on, moving forward, you are completing a cycle. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng trabaho, like a major shift. There's like a new life. You are entering a new life ngayong September. Anything na naglilimit sa'yo, you are breaking free from that. Kasi you want to experience new ideas, new opportunities. Yes, may chocolate dito. You're going to be satisfied in the outcome, no? Yung magiging resulta ng mga ginagawa mo, ng mga projects mo, ng ipupurso mo ngayong September. Okay? And this is also about taking care of yourself. So you will also focus on healing. You're going to, give more time para sa sarili mo na, self-care, self-love, elevated mood. And may iba sa inyo, meron kayong isa-celebrate. Itong isa-celebrate nyo na to, ito yung kahit mga small milestones, no, accomplishments, you're going to celebrate that. Papahalagahan mo yung lahat ng efforts mo, yung naging resulta ng efforts mo. And meron kang preparation, meron kang paghahandaan sa career, trabaho, or business. You're going to be more detail-oriented. Kailangan meron kang certain routine para meron kang hindi nakakaligtaan. Like, you're going to organize your calendar para lahat ng kailangan mong i-accomplish for the whole month of September is matatapos mo. Queen of Swords. You also have the Page of Pentacles. You are going to be more serious in learning about your money, your finances. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bagong pag-aaralan na kaalaman sa pera. And meron kayong mga i-release or tatanggalin sa buhay nyo na hindi magandang gawain when it comes to handling your finances. So, anything na you feel na hindi siya nakakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng finances ninyo. Like example, overspending or spending on the things na hindi mo naman talaga kailangan. Binili mo lang kasi cute or trending. Okay, so you're going to be taking care of your finances and your career. So, for the love, may nagsusorry. Merong regretful sa kanyang actions. Pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. So, nasa sayo kung tatanggapin mo to. You have the Page of Swords, the Strength card, and the Judgment. Okay. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, whoever this person is na nakasira ng tiwala mo, I think you are ready to move on. You are ready to move forward and focus on where you are headed, no? Kung saan ka papunta, anong bagong direction yung tatahakin mo. You may be cutting off people na, tinatake advantage ka lang. And kahit na mag-sorry to sa'yo, alam mo na, hanggang doon na lang yung kaya mong ibigay. Na pag-iintindi sa taong yon, lalo na kung paulit-ulit niyang ginagawa. See, you are going to release something that is no longer serving your highest good. Sometimes, the best way to grow is to simply let go. Yes. The moment that you let go of the things that are no longer serving your highest good, dun ka makakaramdam ng bagong energy wherein you will be growing. Lalo na kung nasa very stuck energy ka, no? So like what I mentioned kanina, meron kang kakayanan na umalis sa isang sitwasyon na meron kang limitations. So that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.